Good morning. So me and my little co-pilot here today. Hello, Walter. You good boy? We're up to try and remedy some of the potholes in the lane in readiness for bringing down the camper van. The access is very rough and the camper van is very low. So any day now we're going to be have to bring the camper van down, and I think it'll bottom out in some of the deep ruts. So I'm here with a couple of tons of scalpings to start, and we're going to fill in the deep potholes and make it nice and smooth. No, we're going to make it passable with a low slung camper van. So let's get on with it.
Very foggy day today, as you can see. I know I said it was foggy, but actually, I think we're in a cloud up here today.
Don't forget your shovel if you want to go to work. Oh, don't forget your shovel if you want to go to work. Don't forget your shovel if you want to go to work. Or you'll end up where you came from like the rest of us. Digging out the deedle.
So since the last time we were here, there's been unfortunately a little bit more weather. And that's meant that, well, there's a bit more damage to the cowshed than we were hoping for. Well, obviously we weren't hoping for any damage, but you kind of get what I mean, I think. We had 2 intact gable ends previously, and now we are down to 1. So that one's okay, well, as it was. And this one, unfortunately, has gone. Which is just going to slow things down a little bit because we'd wanted to very quickly get just a protective covering on. A little bit more difficult to do when you don't have 2 gable ends to suspend that roof from. Thanks for spending some time with us today. We really enjoy your company. Next time, we're going to be hearing my ideas for what to do with this big patch of brambles. Because I don't want it to stay like that, you know. Till next time.